Hey guys, Miss Jennings here, and I am hopping on to show you how to download the Google extension Nod. I am in a Google Meet currently. You can tell by my tab up here, and you can see these emojis off to the left. These are my Nod emojis. Nod is a quick emoji reaction that will help me when we are in Google Meets for live classrooms. And what it does is it will alert me if a student has a question by that student choosing the raise hand um, emoji. It will tell me that a student has raised their hand, whether I am in another tab or not. Um, and it won't go away until I acknowledge it or close out of that tab. So here's how you get that Nod extension. Go to the top of your page and click New Tab. In the search bar of this Google web page, you're going to type in Google extensions, and then you're going to press enter. We are going to choose our first option that pops up, the Chrome Web Store extension for Google Chrome. And once this page loads, we are going to use the Chrome Web Store search bar to search for our Nod extension. Think of it as an app. So if you look over here to your top left, you'll see search the store. We're going to click in that box and type in Nod. And we're going to hit enter. You are going to select this top option, Nod Reactions for Google Meet. I already have it downloaded to my Chrome browser, so I cannot add it again, but you will click the blue Add to Chrome option that is right here. You may not see Nod populate right away because you may not be in a live Google Meet. You have to be in Meets in order to see that you have the Nod extension, but you can up here at the top of your browser page, go to this puzzle piece. These are all of the extensions that you have on Chrome. And if you click on that, then you should see that you have actually added Nod for Google Meet. You can click this push pin right here if you want to pin it up here at the top. You see how Nod is the thumbs up, and I have it up here at the top. Or you can leave it unchecked and you simply won't see it up here. It's completely up to you. If you have questions, please feel free to watch this video again, or you can reach out and email me and I will help you.